Losing important messages on TikTok feels like a digital heartbreak. But don't panic just yet. There are a few ways you might be able to bring those conversations back from the dead. First, let's check if your messages might be hiding in a cache issue. Open TikTok and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Scroll down to find Data Saver and tap on it. Make sure Data Saver is turned off, as this feature sometimes prevents messages from loading correctly. Turning it off can sometimes refresh your message history. If that doesn't work, consider using data recovery software specifically designed for mobile devices. These programs scan your phone's storage for deleted files, including app data, and might retrieve your TikTok messages. Keep in mind, success isn't guaranteed and these softwares have a cost. If you're still out of luck, your next best bet is to contact TikTok support directly. Head to the TikTok Help Center, usually found within the app settings, and look for the Report a Problem section. Clearly explain that you've lost messages and need assistance with recovery. The more information you provide, the better. Finally, for the future, make it a habit to regularly back up your phone's data to a cloud service like Google Drive or iCloud. While it won't recover messages already lost, it can prevent similar issues in the future by saving all of your important files and app data. While message recovery isn't always a sure thing, these steps give you the best chance of retrieving those lost TikTok conversations. Good luck! And remember to back up your data. #TikTok tips #data recovery.